Only one in about 1,000 of you is going to understand what I'm about to tell you, but that one is going to take their life to new levels and make millions and millions of dollars. There is less than 100 problems that you need to learn how to be skillful with, that you need to learn how to solve in order for you to have a life of abundance and literally make over $1 million a year. If you can figure out less than 100 different situations, you're going to be successful in everything in life. It's not that complicated. So if your life is difficult right now, if your career, your job is challenging you, don't wish it was easier. Wish you were more skillful. Learn how to negotiate. Learn how to solve problems. Learn how to deal with difficult situations, and you're going to find that those same difficult situations will continue to repeat themselves over and over again in your life. All you got to do is figure out 100 different cheat codes to about 100 different problems, and you'll be unstoppable. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.